Hi everyone, this is for you.
Before then.
I'm eating this macaroni and whoa, slow down. Okay, so first we made the noodles. What are they called? The stick? What? Penne noodles, and then we have some whole wheat spaghetti. And then we made the sauce. The sauce, we started with butter. Then I placed the garlic and parsley. That was a big factor. Flour, you know, so you get that little creaminess.
Take a bite.
Mm.
Camera loves it.
So we just kept on adding things like butter and milk.
How's the food, Chef?
Oh, and then that's great. Okay. So you guys are so unhelpful.
Have another bite.
It's too creamy. It's not coming out.
Take a little more. Take like a big heaping.
Take a big. Like all the pieces of pasta.
I need a bigger fork.
Okay, I'll get you one.
I feel like you need like a Lady in the Tramp situation here.
Yeah.
Right?
Wants to be my
Tramp your way towards the camera.
Contact me while you're like eating.
She went like this. Apparently.
Every once in a while, it's good to drink.
Thanks.
Then it's always good to take another bite.
Right, that's all we need. Okay, now I'm going to teach you how to eat. Okay, take just a little delicate bite right now. Slowly. Okay. Alright. Those moments where you look down and you're like, is there pasta in my lap?
That's a lot of pasta. I don't lie to you guys.
Does it feel like it's you?
I think it's still good, but it needs, yeah, but it's okay. Whatever, we're not
You could add tomato sauce to the rest of yours.
It's a joke, yeah?
No.
If you want to get it, you can go pour it in.
Just get a little red on your face.
Yeah.
Nice.
Perfect.
I'm stuffing from the pasta.
The whole show is like,